Okay, 85.3, the exercises. Let's start with problem number 1. So it says expand to at least 5 terms. I'll go through a variety of techniques, but I do want to go to the whiteboard, at least initially, and then we'll start talking through the actual key itself. So let me go to the whiteboard. I'll write down the problem for you. And the problem is as follows. It's 3 plus 2x, and it's 1 minus x. My goal here is to get it to look like a certain problem, and I want it to get it look like this over here. And this equals 1 plus u squared. And this is probably one of the more important ones to know about. All right? That's basically a geometric series. This converges when the u is a proper fraction. All right? So I'm looking at this thing and wondering how it could be related to that. And immediately what I notice is the denominators are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it into 2 problems. I'm going to split it to number 3, 1 minus x, and then I'm going to say plus 2x over 1 minus x. And then look at this thing, and then I got other problems. For example, I'll write this down as 3 times 1 over 1 minus x. And this one I'll write down 2x times 1 over 1 minus x. Okay, let's write this down now. Equals 3 times, well, I'm basically using the series that I said I should recognize, and this will be 1 plus x squared, x cubed, x4. I think you get the idea. Yada, yada, yada. All right, so it goes on forever. The other one I want to write down as well, and that's going to be plus 2x times 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x4, yada, yada, yada. All right? So I'm going to just, the first problem, so we'll kind of expand it. You get 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x cubed plus 3x4, yada, yada, yada. Let's write the other one down. I have to multiply it out, right? So you get 2x, this is plus, and then you get plus 2x squared. Then you get 2x cubed plus 2x4, yada, yada, yada. Well, I think I can write this down. This is going to be 3 plus 5x squared plus 5x cubed plus, that's 5x4, yada, yada, yada. And they basically just wanted us to expand it to a certain number of terms. And I think we did a pretty good job there. We expanded it. Now, of course, this is what they want you to do. We did it. I also want to point out, I could write this as a summation problem. And I can write it as 3 plus. If this symbol is bothering you, just pay attention to what we're doing over here. It's 5, x to a power. I'm going to say the power is j. I'm going to say j starts at 1, and it goes off forever. All right? However, you don't need to do that at this stage of the game, but you should start looking at this symbol as being more and more familiar as time goes on. What do they want me to do? Expand to at least 5 terms. Let's see if I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have at least 5 terms over there. Now, granted, at least 5. How many do I have over here? There's an infinite number. That's also at least 5. Thank you for paying attention.